Hello friends. So in this video I am going to solve one of the interesting as well as simple questions of operation management. This questions comes from June 2018 examinations, carries 10 marks, and this is your lecture number 48. So without any wasting further time, let's get started. The question is, an automatic farm is using a machine whose purchase price is rupees 18,000. The installation charges amount to 3,800 and the machine has a scrap value of only rupees 1800 because the farm has a monopoly of this type of work. The maintenance cost in various years is given in the following table. Here year given and maintenance cost given against each year, and the farm want to determine after how many years should the machine be replaced on economic consideration, assuming that the machine replacement can be done only at the year end. Okay, this is the question and now we have to solve this question. So first, here in question cost price or purchase price of the machine given 18,000 and also installation charges given 3,800. So here purchase of price of machine 18,000 and इसमें ऐड होगा installation charges rupees 3,800. Okay, this is your cost of 18,000 plus 3,800 means 21,800. 21,800. This is the cost of machine. Cost of machine. Right, and also given that scrap value of only 1800. So here scrap value 1800. Okay, so here now this is the basic information. Now we have to find out the lowest average cost. So for which machine need to be replaced. So let's get started. First, year given in question, then maintenance cost given, year given 1 2 289, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Right, maintenance cost given 250, then 720, 1200, then 1700, then 2300, 3200, then 4300 and 4800 and 6300. Right, so this is the maintenance cost. This is the maintenance cost. Now we have to find out cumulative maintenance. How to find out cumulative maintenance? Cumulative maintenance will be 250, then 250 plus 720 is equal to 970, then 970 into 1200 is equal to 2170, then 2170 प्लस 1700, ये आ जाएगा आपका 3870। देन 3870 प्लस 2300, ये आ जाएगा आपका 6170। देन सिमिलरली 6170 प्लस 3200, ये आ जाएगा आपका 96170 प्लस 3200, 9370 again 9370 plus 4300, 9370 plus 4300, 13,670 again 13,670 plus 4,800, 13,670 plus 4,800, यह आ जाएगा 18,470। देन अगेन 18,470 प्लस 6,300, यह आ जाएगा 24,770। 18,470, 30,670, 9,370, 6170, 3870, 2170, 970, 250. Cumulative maintenance find out. Now we have to subtract cost of machine minus scrap value. Cost of machine minus scrap value. So here cost of machine 21,800 and scrap value given 1,800. So 21,800 minus 1,800, 21,800 minus 1,800, it will be 20,000, and it will be similar for all. 20,000, 20,000, 20,000, then 20,000, 20,000, then 20,000, 20,000 and 20,000. Okay, now after that we have to find out total cost. We have to find out total cost. Then how to find out total cost? It will be cumulative maintenance cost plus this. Okay, so ये आ जाएगा आपका 20,000 plus 250 is equal to 20,250. Again 20,000 plus 970, it will be 2,970, right? So then 20,000 plus 2,170, it will be 2,2,170. Then 20,000 plus 3,870, it will be 23,870, right? Then 20,000 plus 6,170, it will be 26,170. Then 20,000 plus 9,370, it will be 29,370. Then 20,000 plus 13,670, it will be 33,670, right? Then 20,000 plus 18,470, it will be 38,470. Then 20,000 plus 24,770, it will be 44,770, right? Now after that, now we can find out the annual cost. And how to find out annual cost? For annual cost, we need to divide this one with this one. This total cost divided by number of years, right? So if we divide 20,250 divided by 1, it will be 20,250. Similarly, for 20,970 divided by 2, it will be 10,485. Then similarly, 22,170 divided by 3, it will be 22,170 divided by 3, it will be 7390, right? 7390. Similarly, for 23870 divided by 4, 23870 divided by 4, it will be 5967.5, 5967.5. Remember, you need to write the point also. You just need to write the point also. Okay, so if you don't write the point, then your answer will be wrong. Then similarly, for 26,170 divided by 5 years, 26,170 divided by 5 years, it will be 5234, 5234. Then similarly, for 29,370 divided by 6 years, 29,370 divided by 6, it will be 4895. Then 33,670 divided by 7, divided by 7, 33,670 divided by 7, it will be 4810. Then 38,470 divided by 8, 38,470 divided by 8, it will be 4808.75, या फिर 4808.8 also approximately, right? Then 44,770 divided by 9, 44,770 divided by 9, and it will be 4974.44, 4974.44. Okay, so this is the table of annual cost. Here we now need to find out maintenance cost, cumulative maintenance. Then we have to subtract purchase price with scrap value. Then we have to find out total cost. Then annual cost will be find out total cost divided by number of years, right? So in this way we found that the इसमें जो लोएस्ट होगा वो होगा replacement cost. Okay, so here lowest will be 4808, and this relating to 8 years, okay, relating to 8 years. So now let's write lowest average cost is rupees 4808.8 approximately, which corresponds to number 8, right? So number 8 of above table, right? So machine thus machine needs to be replaced every 8 years. Every 8 year. According to economic consideration, it will need to be replaced every 8 years. Okay, so in this way we solve this question. You just need to read the question very carefully. If you read the question very carefully, then you can easily answer this question. Here given that an automotive farm is using a machine whose purchase price is 18,000. The installation charges amount to 3,800, and the machine has a scrap value of only 1,800 because the farm has a monopoly of this type of work. So the maintenance cost in various years given. The farm wants to determine after how many years should the machine be replaced on economic consideration. Economic consideration means that should be as minimum as possible, assuming that the machine replacement can be done only at the year end. So for according to this question, we first need to find out the purchase price of the machine, that is 18,000, and इसमें add होगा installation charges, that is 3,800. It will be 21,800, and scrap value given 1,800, right? Then now we have to find out through this table. First we need to put year, then maintenance cost, then cumulative maintenance cost, then we have to subtract scrap value from purchase price, then we have to find out total cost, then we have to find out annual cost. Annual cost will be find out by dividing total cost with number of years. Total cost with number of years. So in this way, which one is the lowest should be replaced. Okay, that is 4808.8 in 8 years. So in this way you can do it. You just need to revise this question as many times as possible so that you can easily do it at examination. Okay, so this is it all about from my side, and thank you so much for your time, and thank you so much for your support. Happy studying.